Hi, this is Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker, and today we're going to be going through my Midjourney Coloring Book Prompt extension. And I'm very excited to say that we are going to be having a overlay for Midjourney Discord so that we're able to automatically upscale and download, and we're going to be building in automations where we can put in the prompt, create all the prompts, have it automatically create all the pictures, upscale them, and download them. That is coming soon. So let's go ahead and jump in and look at it. So right now we have the extension in the extension bar. All right, we have the extension in the extension bar. All right, so we can go ahead and make our coloring book prompt however we want it, and we have tons and tons of variables. And we also just add a bunch of action variables, so we can have them flying a plane, flying a helicopter, driving a car, driving a truck, riding a roller coaster, snowboarding. They can be playing hockey. They can be a policeman, an astronaut, a firefighter, lumberjack, playing instruments, all kinds of stuff. So we actually have the buttons to be able to have all the breeds or all the backgrounds or all the shading or all the actions. And so like right here, it generated 30 prompts for all the different actions that they can be doing. But we also have here, we have the open in a tab button where it creates its own options window tab where you can do it inside a browser window so you don't lose anything that you're working on. And you can actually build this out, any kind of background, any kind of action, all of that kind of stuff. And like I said, we are going to be having an overlay inside of Discord. If we want to do it manually, because like I said, we have automations coming, but if we want to do it manually, we can create it with a prompt, we can click the button, and it will upscale and download all of the pictures. Or we can upscale and download number 1, upscale and download number 2, etc. Or we can grab the image link. So if we're going through Discord and we see a picture that we like, we can actually get that image link for the one that's upscaled so that we can go ahead and use that in one of our prompts so that we can have something that's similar. Or if we're trying to create pictures or characters that are the same, then we can grab that image prompt as the marker of what we want it to look like, and then we can add different variables to the prompts. Also, if we're going through Discord and we see an image that we like that we did not create, we're able to download the image by itself, or we're able to copy the prompt. But there's more coming. Like I said, we're going to be working on the automations, which is going to be like this. So we have the automation coming in where we are going to be able to automate the prompts, automate the download, and have everything done automatically after you generate your prompts. So the overlay is going to go ahead and be added on the 20th of this month, which is in 4 days. So this is going to be inside of Discord for us so that we can go ahead and upscale and download all of these. And then the automation is going to be the next milestone that we're working on so that we'll be able to get into our extension. We will go ahead and create our 25 different prompts, and then we're going to have a little run button here, and it's going to run all of those 25 different prompts and make those pictures 25 times 4. And then it's going to upscale and download all of those for us. So literally, we can create everything we need for a coloring book in like 20 or 30 seconds. And it's going to be ready for us to go ahead and put inside our coloring book like I showed in the training. But phenomenal, mind-blowing. I'm just super excited. I've already put out 3 coloring books this week. And this is going to make it so much faster because not only can we skip a lot of steps with being able to upscale and download all of them super quickly, but as soon as we add crazy. Just to let you know, if you want to go ahead and get access to this right now, you can join our Solve All Problems bundle, where we have access to all of our trainings, our courses, our apps, and our programs, as well as Go High Level. You'll have access to all of that, but this is inside of our Solve All Problems bundle. Now remember, I've got 2 spots left for the 50% discount for the yearly. So if you contact me in Messenger right now in Facebook Messenger, I've got 2 spots left. So the first 2 people that grab that will get the 50% off on the yearly. If not, it's running at $98 a month, but we have over $600 worth of programs in here. Plus, you have all of my $1,000 and $500 courses, all of my trainings, all of my bonus trainings. You get all that as well. But I'm also going to be offering 3 lifetime reseller accounts that will have 1,000 accounts each. So if you want to take advantage of that, I've got a crazy deal right now, but I'll have 3 lifetime reseller accounts where each reseller account will have 1,000 accounts, and it will come with all of the updates that we are adding in here. And it's after we put in the automations, we're going to go ahead and add the login screen and have the endpoint added into the dashboard so that you'll be able to create accounts manually, or you'll be able to create accounts through Zapier automation. So like I said, go ahead and hit me in Messenger. I'll have a link below, and you can go ahead and get either one of those 3 lifetime reseller accounts Or you can get one of the 2 yearly discounts right now. Check the link below. It's going to be super exciting to be able to quickly and easily create your coloring books. And now, after we have the overlay, you're going to be able to speed up the process. And once we have the automation, 20 or 30 seconds to create everything you need for your coloring book, and you can start churning these out 20, 30, 40 books a day. So thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.